Hi, I'm Nabila, and if I'm sewing someone a gift, I do not want to sew a zipper. So today's video is 7 sewable gift ideas that don't suck. The first gift on my list is a shameless self-promotion. It's my own patterns. Out of all my sewing patterns, the one I'd recommend for a gift for anyone is my reversible jacket. It's so easy to sew up, you don't need a serger, and the pattern comes together pretty quickly. You could get this pattern as a gift with some fabric to make the gift a DIY kit, or you can make this jacket for your loved one. There will be a link down below for my shop. The next gift idea I have for you is this water bottle sling. It's great for a friend who has a dog or loves taking walks, and I think you can make a couple of these in one night. Okay, the next gift idea is for anyone in your life who loves to cook, and I feel like this would even be a great gift idea for your mother-in-law. It's this half apron pattern, and I feel like because it's a half apron and not a full apron, it makes the whole pattern look a little bit fresher, and I'm thinking about making one for myself. Okay, the next gift idea is a pretty classic one. It's from Mood Fabrics, and it's a robe, which I think would be such a great gift for your significant other, and you could color block this and make this super cool and colorful and a unique gift for your significant other. The next gift idea would be a great gift for the kids in your life. It's these reusable snack bags, and maybe the kids in your life wouldn't appreciate it, but I'm sure the parents would. Since this might be like giving socks to a kid, maybe you could give them a little homemade treat inside to kind of spice the gift up a little bit. And this next gift is for anyone who loves to wear makeup. It's these reusable makeup wipes, and I could really see someone knocking out a bunch of these in one night so you can give them to lots of different friends on your gift list. And the last gift is this scrunchie, which I know it's all about the claw clips these days, but you could really make this a special and unique gift by using some silk or some really pretty chiffon, and you could double this pattern so that it becomes this really chunky scrunchie and it becomes almost like an artisan piece. And this pattern includes a bow, but you could do it without a bow as well. And those are all my sewing gift ideas. I hope you enjoy sewing these up, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!